Hello, health heroes. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Matt from Tasty Treasures. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the superheroes of the food world. Superfoods. We're going to reveal 7 power-packed superfoods that will supercharge your body and mind. Make sure you hang around till the end, because we've got a surprise bonus food that's likely sitting in your kitchen right now. Our adventure begins with the mighty avocado. This delightful fruit is loaded with healthy fats that fuel your brain and body, making it a perfect snack for an energy boost. But that's not all. Avocado also offers a boatload of vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, C, E, and B6. So next time you're in need of a midday energy boost, why not reach for a slice of avocado toast? Next stop, we're visiting the realm of the humble blueberry. These tiny fruits are bursting with antioxidants, which protect your brain from aging and damage. Moreover, their high flavonoid content helps improve memory, cognitive function, and even motor skills. Plus, they're an incredibly versatile ingredient. From smoothies to salads, blueberries can do it all. Say hello to almonds. Our next superfood on the list. These aren't just tasty snacks, they're a treasure trove of nutrients like riboflavin and L-carnitine, known to boost brain activity and reduce Alzheimer's risk. They're also a fantastic source of protein and fiber, keeping you satiated for longer. But how should you incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits? Meet quinoa, a superfood superstar that's been gaining popularity worldwide. This gluten-free grain is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Plus, it's packed with fiber, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. But how do you cook it right to get the most out of its benefits? We've got a beginner-friendly quinoa recipe down in the video description that you don't want to miss. What's your favorite superfood recipe? Let us know in the comments and make sure to like our channel to always get the latest updates. Swimming into our next segment is the nutrient-dense salmon. This fish is chock full of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their brain-boosting benefits. From reducing anxiety to improving mood and cognition, salmon's got it all. Get ready to go green with our next superfood. Broccoli. This crunchy vegetable is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, promoting overall health. It's also a great source of fiber and vitamin C. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. The grand reveal. Our 7th superfood is none other than the golden spice of life, turmeric. This vibrant spice is not just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with curcumin, it's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it's even been linked to improved brain function. Now for our surprise bonus superfood. This one's probably hiding in your kitchen right now. It's green tea. Surprised? Green tea is a fantastic source of antioxidants and has been linked to fat burning, improved brain function, and even a lower risk of certain cancers. With these superfoods in your pantry, you're all set to supercharge your health, one meal at a time. As we wrap up this enlightening journey, remember your path to supercharged health begins with one mindful bite, one savoring sip at a time. Make these superfoods a part of your daily diet and feel the transformation from within. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and keep exploring the superpowers of superfoods.